Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. All right, hold everything. Today we're cooking up a bacon bourbon pumpkin pie. That's what I said. A bacon bourbon pumpkin pie. Perfect for the holidays or any day you consider a holiday. You got to check this out. So here, Ernst, the pitmaster of our Waterbug Blue chapter in Germany, is cooking up some bacon and showing you how it's done. And it's real easy to do. All right, bacon. That's just enough. Now, go out and get yourself a pound of pumpkin and 1.5 cups of evaporated or condensed milk. Combine them with a couple of eggs. And here we've got some seasoning. We're going to add SPG for a little bit of flavor. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic, right? And we'll combine it with some sugar, about 1/4 cup of sugar. Add it to the bowl. Give it a good mix. Oh. Of course, don't forget the bacon. You got to have the bacon, right? Now, the best part of this recipe, a couple of shots into some bourbon jam, or what jam you have, and a shot or two for the pitmaster. That's pitmaster privilege. Now, line a pie dough layered pie crust, right? You've seen these before. They're ready-made. You don't have to make your own pie dough, right? And you layer it on the bottom with your bourbon jam, and over top of that, you pour your pumpkin pie mixture. We're going to start at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, a high temperature, and then we're going to crank it back a little bit to maybe 325 and finish it off. This is not going to take long to do. All right. Now, add a couple of chunks of your favorite smoke wood, right? Adds a little more flavor, a little smokiness to the pie, just like great grandma used to do back in the day with her wood-fired oven. You remember that, right? Or maybe you don't. Now, Ernst is going to grab a few more slices of pork belly bacon, smoke them up. It'll take 45 minutes. And while we're waiting, he's going to kick back, smoke a stogie, and think about the good things in life, the things that are important. Good friends, good food, maybe make a bowl of cigar ash barbecue sauce. You can head on over to our website and find that. And in the miracle of time, this bacon bourbon pumpkin pie is done. No, it's not. Grab some of your favorite shredded cheese, like this cheddar. Take a couple of slices of those smoked bacon. Put it on top. I'm gonna make this look real pretty. Oh yeah. Grandma's gonna love this one. Just wait for the cheese to melt, and in a miracle of time, this bacon bourbon pumpkin pie is done. Now, to get the exact recipe, head on over to our website, but hold everything. This is the part where the pitmaster's eating in front of you, and he's not apologizing. It's good. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.